Ladies and gentlemen, let me start by saying very clearly that in order to correct a mistake, you first of all must identify that mistake and accept it before you can correct it, isn't it? And for us, I remember when we were cajoled into joining NEC, we thought we didn't have much to offer, but there was already a diagnosis there, which was examination cheating. And I'm very happy to say that we have dealt with that cheating, and you don't hear about it now. But in the process of dealing with that cheating, we have identified something called early exposure. I'm a doctor, and with all due respect to the other sex, when a lady is in labor, she behaves in a particular manner. And I saw some of my center managers behaving in that manner, very few of them, but they still behaved in that manner, trying to expose papers just before the exam started. And I'm very happy indeed, Honorable Cabinet Secretary, that we are no longer talking about leakage. That is past, and we are talking now about premature exposure. My second point is this. The most significant constant in our process is the child. It is not me, it is not the teacher, it is not the minister, it is the child. Because the child is like a clean slate. That's why even in the Bible, they are going straight to heaven while you are going to the other side. So this child will learn whatever you want the child to learn. And the question I want to ask is, going through our consciousness, because I said we should be truthful to ourselves. Are we giving the child what is duly right to him or her? When you see somebody arguing about time, and I want it to be on record that I differ absolutely with people who say that you should not have performance contracting because it is only what you plan to do that can get done. And you get it into your house. For example, if you earn 100 shillings, if you don't arrange how you're going to spend that 100 shillings to spread through the month, then you will get hungry before the month is over and your children will die. That is planning. It is performance targeting. And we must do it here, whether anybody likes it or not. If we are going to have a transformative change, a teacher must plan and see, if I have taught my class how to multiply 2 by 2 up to 2 by 12, is the child able to recite it back to me as a building block? So when you say you don't want teachers to go that way, then you are an enemy of education. And it should be on record, because we are teachers. You cannot be an expert more than all the other teachers. All the teachers are the same.